And so mga kabatak, this is my finished board, and because it's actually Teacher's Day na naman, so kailangan na naman namin gumawa ng board. And I did not show it before because we are so busy talaga. And here po, this is a simple flower as seen before. It's made of crepe papers po. Ayan, I put this lavender and then yellow here. And this is pink, red. And syempre, the flower is not complete if we don't have leaves and this branches also mga kabatak. Ayan. Since talaga pong nagpapaganda yung mga flowers, kaya itong mostly na ginagamit namin pang design. Ayan po. So this is the color po ng base. So kailangan magmamatch yung base dito sa borders. So since my base is dark, so I preferred light border po. Ayan here. But this is green color because actually it's leaves, kaya I prefer to put these little leaves here. And then for this color naman, this border, ayan. So I just cut it little like that and then just do like this and finish mga kabatak. So easy po talaga. Pero pag ginagawa mo na siya, medyo natatagalan din. Akala lang talaga na it's so easy, pero kapag kinukutkot mo na siya, sobra na po siyang matagal kutkutin. Pero madali naman. Madali yung step niya, kaso matagal lang talaga siyang kutkutin. Itong paggagawa ng border na to, ayan. So you have to cut first. Take the crepe papers, ayan, ganyan. Kaya yun po yung medyo nagpapatagal doon. Ayan. Then I put a little brown color here till that side. Yan here. Actually, I don't have really even small idea from the start. I don't have. And actually, I'm not an artist, but since this is the nature of our job, so natuto na din po ako ng kagagawa nito mga kabatak. And I'm so happy that I have a knowledge of making this now. And now po, I have few leaves left, so I have to make leaves po. Then this is already complete and we can display it from outside. Ayan, yung mga gawa po ng mga bata yan, teacher's card. Balik tayo sa ating background. Ayan, here. So, it's too much of green color paper here. Ayan, kinat ko lang siya ng style dahon. And then, you have to fold like this. As same before mga kabatak. It's same as my previous decoration before. Ayan yung leaves. Because I don't have that foam sheet, that glitter foam sheet. That is better also for making a leaves. So, start na po tayo ng remaining leaves natin, mga kabatak. Kabatak, this is our remaining leaves. We have to do like this here. Ayan. And then we will cut it this side para maging 2 pieces po siya, maging 2 sets. Ayan. So, since it's already 2 set, you can easily open it mga kabatak. Ayan, meron po ditong hindi nagupit here. So, you have to cut it, all of that, here. And even this side, so, ito na po yung itsura niya ngayon. Ayan, yung leaves. Mag-cut lang po kayo ng simple leaves. Very easy po talaga mga kabatak. So, kanya-kanyang technique na lang po ng paggawa ng leaves. Ayan, here. And now, I will fold it para maging design na leaves. Here, just fold. Fold into 2. Just like this. So, this is na yung itsura niya ngayon. Ito na yung itsura niya ngayon. So, medyo style leaves na siya. Ayan. Kanya-kanya nga po ng design. Kung anong magustuhan ng design. So, this is my design. And they have their own also mga kabatak, the other classes. And then, I have to open it little. Para kunwari mukhang marami siya. So, just open it here. Just a few. Like this. It's already open like this. And you have to hold here mga kabatak. You have to support this and we will staple this one. Stapler this para hindi siya maghiwa-hiwalay pag ikinapit natin. Ayan. Very nice and very easy po talaga. Like this. So, ayan. We have already 1 set of leaves na po. As you can see, magkakaalaman po yan kapag na-finish na po natin yung board. So, this is the remaining lang po mga kabatak. Ito na lang leaves na ito. Kasi tapos na yung design ng board na yan. So, let's just make another one. This. And open a bit. Again, same thing. We have to staple this just for support para hindi man laglag sa isa like that, and then fold para naman parang medyo buhay na buhay po yung leaves natin. Ayan, just fold it like this, little fold here. And then here. Ayan. So, this is the another set of our leaves. Ayan, nalaglag na nga po because the stapler is not good. So, I have to staple it again. I think this stapler is not working properly. Ayan, here. We have another set po. Because you know mga kabatak, if you really like the job, even you don't have any idea po, you can start. Even you are just new to that job, to that work, or for anything po. Basta gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, you can make it mga kabatak. Always remember that. Just start po tayo sa scratch. So, I have to do this tok-tok. Tok-tok. What is that? Tok-tok. Ayan. Because my stapler is not good. Oh my God. So, it's done. And we have another set here. So, this is remaining. Kaya, uubusin na natin siya. Mapapatapon lang to, sayang naman mga kabatak. Mahal din ito sa Pilipinas. Kaya, gamitin na din natin. And this, mga kabatak, after this Teacher's Day or any event, so we have to change the board again. And these things po, the other flowers, leaves, we can use it again, mga kabatak. You don't have to throw this. You can use it for other things. So, be careful and don't tear these papers. Especially the flowers, mga kabatak. Because those flowers took me so long to make. And one more is here. So, let's cut this. Another one. And let's start the folding again, mga kabatak. Let's start putting the leaves, mga kabatak. Ayan, it's so beautiful na po. Hanggang sa susunod na tutorial, mga kabatak. Marami pong salamat!